Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable Instagram story comments on Instagram after the newest update. So first of all, what you need to do is we throw this app away, go to App Store and make sure that you have the newest version of Instagram. Then from here we open the app, and then right now we need to fix two settings. The first one is go to your profile picture, type right in the top on the three lines in the top, scroll down and go to comments. And right here, if you can see, you have who can comment, a new option, and that is stories. So right now, if you click on stories, you see here the option where you can choose which one you want to fill in. So first, everyone, the second is people you follow or you want to turn this off. Now let's say we want this for everyone. And when we go back, we just enabled that people can comment on our story. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.